Welcome to the project demonstration of Smart Steam Optimized Iron Box using IoT. So here the main features of this iron box, we did some alteration to this, so which is controlling through IoT directly, and from the IoT only we are going to set the timer, how much of time it has to on, and also we can set the steam controlling in the slide bar. So the slide bar to control the steam control, and we can enter the time over here. Right, okay, so it's the maximum level, and the time we need to enter, that is 0 to 60 minutes. So for demonstration we kept it for 0 to 60 minutes. So once we enter the time, once we set the timer, then the system will enable the system to heat up this iron box. And here we have placed the relay board, and from the relay board inside this we place the relay will control the main power supply to this iron box. So when it is in normal condition, this is the normal idle conditions, then it won't get switch on the iron box. So when we, after setting the time, when we tilting to forward direction to make the iron of the dresses, then only the system will get switched on, and based on the input from this steam controller, this will be controlled. For that we are making use of this servo motor which will control the steaming one. So there we need to place this on mode for the steam. This is on mode, and actually before getting the steams, so we need to pour the water into this. So from there only the steam will be generated, right? And keep it in on mode, and now we can on the power supply to this iron box. And here one more feature is like, so if we place this iron box in idle condition without any motion, then after 20 seconds automatically it will be off condition. Again when we back to the normal, then it will get switched on, and the timer, what was the on time, will be getting updated on this status bar along with the temperature. So these details will be uploaded to this, and on this OLED display we can get the same details, and we have interfaced all these input output modules to the ESP32. So the input module is directly Wi-Fi inbuilt and temperature sensor. So we have placed the temperature sensor over here, the temperature sensor, and this one is the regulated power supply board which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output, that is the operating voltage of our remaining whole system. And the output modules is relay which are placed inside this box, and OLED to get the status, and the servo motor to control the steam controlling, along with the temperature parallelly will be controlled. So these are the main features, and let us check the outputs. Right, so now on the power supply, so welcome message, and we can see the relay off state, means it won't get switched on as there is no indication to this, as there is no input to this one. Alright, so once we on the power supply to this, before on the power supply, as everything settled was done, now go to hotspot settings. Right, so configure the hotspot name to project 7363 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 GHz. After enabling the hotspots, we need to install the network analyzer application. So this application icon which is available in the Play Store. Using this application, we can get the IP address of our ESP32. Means the kit IP address can be retrieved. So after enable the hotspot and install application, now on the power supply to this. So on OLED we can see the temperature as well as the relay. Now as we can see, one device will be connected in your hotspot settings. Right, connected device 1. After this confirmation, now go to options of this application, LAN scan, do the scan, and we'll get a 2 IP address. One is your mobile phone, and there is our ESP32. Click on this and it will open to the Google Chrome. So the respective HTML web page will be open, and it will prompt us the steam controller. So just I am placing that. So it will be controlled steam slowly. Now let us check with angle controlling for the steam along temperature. So slowly increasing that, we can see it is rotating clockwise. Okay, so after we set from this, now let us place it for 2 minutes. Just when we enter the 2 and set the timer, then 2-minute time set, and here again the timer started. Same can be seen over here, As of now it's idle condition, that's why it's not getting switched on. When we bending forwards, as you can get the light indication as it gets switched on. Here also it's running. Okay, and now when we place it in normal, back to normal condition, after 20 seconds of idle, if is there any motion, no, if is there is no any motion from this iron box, then automatically this relay will control that, and we can get the relay status on the web page. So this is a timer we set for 2 minutes. So called timer is continuously working on, and we can see the temperature also. See, the temperature got increased. Now you can see that the relay got switched off, and you can see the same status, relay off status, as well as here also, and the remaining time is over there. And when we bend forward again, right, it gets switched on. Right, so as we have already set the low temperature, low steam, that's why it is already in heat condition, and we can see the relay status and both status on the web page as well as on here also. If it is temperature comes down to below set temperature from this servo motor, then automatically it will be off. So you can see the temperature keep on increasing of this iron box. Now the remaining time is 32 seconds. After that the relay will be off. If the motion is detected, if no motion detected, then automatically it will be off state only, as we set for time limit of 2 minutes. Right, and we can hear the sound also from this one. The relay sound is getting on and off. So we can see that the relay is off as the idle for 20 seconds again. Coming to the back. Right, it's getting on and relay is on. After 6 seconds, if it is in like iron mode also, right, off, relay off. Okay, and the same status on the OLED display. Right, as of now the temperature is 70 degrees got reached. Thank you.